Hello guys, good morning. I'm Coach Ryan Mendoza. Welcome in the Rising Legacy Company. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon kung paano po tayo kikita o ano po yung marketing plan ng TRL. Guys, we have 10 ways to earn income at meron po tayong 5 packages in the company. Okay, so you can start the business, starter package, builder, executive, elite, and even legacy. Okay, ang starter package po natin, it's only 2,980. The builder, it's 9,500. Executive package, that is 28,500. Elite package, it's a 76,000. Lastly, our product legacy is worth of 190,000. Sa value for money po ang ating mga packages. Okay? So, ang maganda po dito guys, kasi we have discounts and retailing profit. Okay? Once starter po kayo, meron po kayong 10% discount. Once builder po kayo, 15% discount. Executive is 20% discount. Elite, it's 25% discount. And a legacy package account, that is a 35% discount. Okay? So, ang maganda dito guys, kasi we have a build-up override bonus. Okay? So, paano po yan siya? For example po, your account is a legacy. Since you have a 35% discount, pagpalagay po natin, it's meron po kayong nakuha na starter account. Ang starter account po, that is 10% discount. So meaning, since you are a 35% discount, higher minus lower, so meron po kayong remaining na 25% profit. Okay, so let's say po si starter po bumili po ng worth of 10,000 na products. Okay, so out of 10,000 products, meron po siyang 1,000 pesos discount kasi nga yun po yung computation ng 10%. Ang maganda po kasi meron po kayong 25% remaining discounts po or bonus. Ang maganda po, meron po kayong kita na worth of 2,500 pesos din. Yan po yung maganda. What if po meron po kayong nakuha na builder package. Okay, so the builder package is a 15% discount, and assuming po bumili po ito ng 100,000 worth of products. Since meron siyang 15% na discount, meron siyang kita na 15,000 pesos. At ang maganda po, again, higher minus lower,